y'all, it's my first video dyeing my hair. So today we're gonna experiment. I'm gonna go from this to this. Cute. So I'm using my L'Oreal Quick Glue. I'm using my 40 Cream Developer for my bleach. I'm gonna bleach my hair. And then once I finish with that, I'm gonna use these two colors. I have Adore Cajun Spice and Adore Copper Brown. Mix them together like this in my handy dandy bowl. And I'm gonna put it on my hair and we're gonna see what we're working there. I already got my hair cut. So, I'm gonna pour my developer in like so. Okay, so now that I've done that and here's my consistency for my bleach, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my hair. Here goes nothing. See, I don't do what I do, y'all, because I don't have a towel on. I don't have nothing to protect my hands and nothing. I've been doing this for so long, but use protective measures for everything that you need, okay? I'm gonna start off like this. Ooh. So this is what it looks like after I finish bleaching everything. I put the bleach on my hair. It's coated really good, so I'm gonna wait. I think like, I'm gonna see what time it is. I'm gonna do 30 minutes. I'm gonna do 30 minutes on this, and I'm gonna see what happens. All right, see y'all. My mama said a saran wrap add heat so they can activate it. So cute. Saran wrap. Okay, so I am done, y'all. I'm done. I done bleached my hair. So what I did was, y'all, I had bleached it twice. Okay, I bleached it twice. It is not like that brownish color like it was anymore. So I'm not gonna bleach it anymore, and I'm not even gonna tone it. I'm gonna just go straight to my rinse and put my rinse on top. Okay, so here I did like a swatch of the two colors. So this one right here is the Cajun Spice, and this one right here is the Copper Brown. So it is going to get, I pray that it gives me like a really pretty, I don't pay no attention to my nails, I won't get my nails done, but I had to do this first. So I kind of did like a pool effect, like I poured the Copper Brown, no, I poured the Cajun Spice, then Copper Brown inside of Cajun Spice, then I pour more Cajun Spice, and I pour more Copper Brown into it, and just to see what I get. And I'm gonna mix. Start. We're gonna see what happens. Ooh, it's gonna be different. Yeah, it's gonna be different. So we'll see how it turns out. Ooh, that might be kind of cute already. Okay. I promise you I ain't done much, y'all, but I am really feeling this like already. Like, I'm really feeling this. Like, this looks like a cute fall color. I think this is really gonna be nice when it's all said and done. 15 minutes. Pow, pow, pow. So it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna take my wrap off. I put saran wrap on it. Let's go wash her out. Okay, so I just washed. I haven't seen it yet. We're gonna look at this together at the same time, okay? Whew. My hair's a little bit orange, but nothing like when I had them blue. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I expected. Oh no. I don't think it looked bad, but I don't know what I was expecting. Like a carrot. Okay. Let me see what I can do to spruce this up just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. I don't think it looked bad, it just smelled. Okay. I'll be back. Y'all, I want y'all to understand, like, when I say I feel like a cute ginger snap, this is like, okay, so at first, when I first started, I was like, okay, I don't know how this is going to end up, but let me tell you something, babe. I feel like a cute ginger snap, like, ooh. Like a ginger snap with a little bit of chocolate on it, you know, a chocolate ginger snap, you know, something like a Hershey's on top of a ginger snap or something like that. But honey, I think this turned out to be really cute. Let me take my glasses off so you can see like the full effect. I think it turned out to be like really cute now. Like when I really look at it, like I think it turned out to be good. I'm so like, I think it's cute. What y'all think? I feel like a chocolate ginger snap. Cute. Cute. This turned, I mean, at first I was kind of like, ooh, I just didn't know what to do, child. But then someone said, go get your life together. Go get your life together. And I had to get my life together. Sometimes it just requires that. So, you know, I had to make it work, had to make it do what it had to do, baby. And oh Lord, I just made my glasses worse. But nevertheless, y'all, I think I'm happy with the final product. So, yes. I'll see y'all later. Till next time. Bye.